Hey, what's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels, going to do another Bitcoin update. We did one this morning. Going to go ahead and hop into to another one here real quick, since we've kind of morphed and changed a little bit from this morning. If you follow me on Twitter, you already know kind of my idea here. But let's hop into it here real quick, guys. First of all, as you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only, so do not blindly follow anything I say or do. Also, guys, if you do appreciate the time I spend doing these, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell icon to be notified of new videos that are posted. All right, so for those new to the channel, we've got, in my opinion, right now, a one wave up, an A, a B, and then working on a C wave, and then we will have our third wave starting once we end up bottoming in this corrective structure. I will go over an alt count here in just a minute, but as of right now, the way I have this, I'm assuming that this structure, which I had labeled this morning as a triangle, as an A, B, C, D, and then needed one more wave up for an E, and then an impulsive down for our final fifth wave structure. That didn't happen because we broke down right here at what could have possibly been our D for a pop-up for our E. And really invalidated that triangle. So it has morphed into as of right now, my primary is a WXY with a 5-wave down, which is our one wave, and then we'll have a 2, 3, 4, 5, which is now targeting, if this is where it bottoms and it retraces up about here, it'll be targeting, mid 24K-ish or so is ultimately where it's targeting right now, if that's the case. As we had mentioned, as long as we're below this 27,667, 27,700, this is the Bitstamp chart. So obviously that price data will change based on the exchange you're charting or looking at. But as long as we're below that, I had assumed that this was a 4-wave and that we will break down into our 5th wave. The alt count is that this is actually WXY, and that we do have one more pop up for a Y wave, which would be something like this. This would be, an ABC for our W, an ABC for our Y, like this. Sorry, this would be ABC here. You would have ABC for our Y, which would be, I'll just throw WXY on it. So it would look like this. And then we would have an A, B, C up from there, which would run the highs, make a higher high, but I would still anticipate a wick up here getting rejected and then impulsing down for our final. Really, at that point, this entire structure would be a WXY instead of an ABC, because we would likely invalidate the impulsive structure down. So this whole wave would be an ABC, and then this would be a W. So we would have a W here, and then an X. Oh, sorry. Trying to draw is not very easy on this. We would have a W and then a higher X, and then a final Y down like this, a W, X, and then a Y. So that would be my alternate scenario if that is indeed the case. But again, and as long as we are below, let me get all this stuff deleted. But again, as long as we are below this 27,667, I'm assuming that we have broken down and are in our 5th wave. So that's the update for now. We'll see y'all later. Have a good day.